Hello everyone, welcome back for example 2 of week 1, classifying polygons. So in the last video we figured out if it was concave or convex. It was concave if when you drew one of the lines it went into the middle, it was caving in. And if there's nothing that went in the middle, it was convex. So today though we're going to talk about if it's either regular or not regular. So you might ask, what is regular actually mean? So, regular, it means all sides and all angles are equal. So if all of the sides are equal and all of the angles are equal, then it is considered regular. But you need both for regular. So let's take a look at letter A first. Zoom in a little. All right, so if we're looking at this, should be fine. All right, if we're looking at letter A, the first thing we have to do is see if all the sides are equal. And so if we're looking at that, if you remember, each one, since they all have one dash on them, that means that they are all equal. So this is a check, sides equal. But now we have to see if the angles are equal. Now, if we're looking at all the angles on this shape, are there any indications that these angles are equal? No, there's nothing drawn at any of the angles to say that they're the same. So, no angles not equal. There's nothing drawn in there to say that they're equal, so they are not equal. And since we don't have a check for both, this would be considered not regular. You have to have a check for both sides and angles for it to be regular. So let's take a look at letter B. All right, so we got to check sides and angles. So let's check sides first. So if you notice, all the sides each have one dash on them. So that means all the sides are equal. So check sides equal. Now we got to check angles. If you look on this case, you have one arc, two arc, three arc. They each have one arc, which means check angles equal. When each of the angles has the same number of arcs, that means they're all equal, just like sides are for dashes. So since we have two checks, this one is considered regular. So to identify regular, you need all sides and all angles to be equal. So what I'm going to ask right now is that you try 7, 8, and 9, which are right below this, on your own to see if you are understanding and being able to classify regular and not regular. So hit pause, and then once you've done 7, 8, and 9, unpause, and you can check and see if you did it correctly. All right, so here is 7, 8, and 9. So I guess we can start with 7. So if you notice, all the sides have one dash, so all sides are equal. And every angle has the same number of arcs, so all angles are equal, which means it's regular. If we take a look at number 8, if you notice, those two sides have one dash, but these two sides both have two, which means that this longer side is not equal to the shorter side. So not all sides are equal. However, in this case, all the angles still only have one arc, so the angles are equal, but you need both to be true. And since this one's not true, it is not regular. For the third one, number 9, each side has the same number of dashes, just one. But if you notice, none of the angles have any marks on them. And if the angles have no marks, that means they are not equal. And since we don't have both sides and angles, this is not regular. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, text or call me on my Google Voice account. And I hope to see you Thursday at noon for the video conference. Hope to hear from you soon.